Hi, welcome to Tech Dragon.
One of the first things you'll notice about this device is its size. It sports a massive 5.5-inch Super AMOLED HD screen, and here it is compared to the iPhone 4S. It has a good design and seems a bit slimmer and taller than the original Note, and the S Pen seems a bit longer and fits naturally in my hand. I give it a 4.5 out of 5 in design. What about you, Ahmed?
I think I'll give it a 4.
The Note 2 comes with either 16, 32 or 64 gigabytes of storage, with an expandable micro USB card of up to 64 gigabytes, and on top of that, 50 gigabytes of free storage on Dropbox.
With up to 178 gigabytes of storage, I think it deserves a 5 out of 5. What do you think, Mohammed?
I'd definitely give it a 5 out of 5 as well. This runs on a 1.6 GHz quad-core Cortex-A9 processor. It does have a massive 3100 mAh battery, which is a big step up from the 2500 mAh battery on the original Note. On regular use with 3G on, it could last between a day to a day and a half.
Now for the specifications, Mohammed gave it a 4.8 and I gave it a 5.
The primary camera is 8 megapixels and the secondary camera is 1.9. Some of the features in the camera are face and smile detection and face tag. Here is a previous picture of Ahmed that I have already tagged him in, and now I'm about to take another picture. Here's a picture I just took, and it asks me if this is Ahmed Hassanein, and I can just say yes it is. Here's the panorama feature. Panorama. Here's the multi-shot option. Just press and hold. And for the camera, I gave it a 4.5 and Ahmed gave it a 4. And the Note 2 runs on Android 4.1 Jelly Bean. Another feature is the Samsung screenshots. Another very cool feature I really like is the video multitasking. I can play a video, use IT Crowd, and I can make it pop up. It's up here. Go to my home screen, make it smaller or bigger, move it around. I could go to my Twitter feed and read tweets as I'm watching the video. If I get bored, I can just tap it and then close it. Now when you first take out the S Pen, the device realizes it's detached, and S Note pops up as well as a couple of other options. Here are a couple of pictures in my gallery. What I can do is I can hover over the pictures and they can pop up. Video. I can hover over the timeline and see what part of the video I want, and I can choose one like that. Another thing you can do is if you hit the little button on the S Pen over here and just tap the screen, it'll take a screenshot. Here's the brush setting, eraser. I can actually draw on the screenshot. Another pretty cool feature on the S Pen and the S Note is the formula recognition. If I launch up a new note and hit the formula recognition button up here, productivity tools it says. Alright, just click on that, and then I can, for instance, do some math. And I can just say insert, and it inserts the recognized text. Another thing is that there is an S Pen SDK. More and more developers are creating applications that integrate with S Pen. These would be available on the Google Play Store as well as Samsung apps. Now in terms of features, I'm a bit disappointed.
as the advertised split screen multitasking feature where you can use more than one app at the same time isn't available in the European and Middle Eastern versions. So I'm giving features a 4.9 here.
And I'll give it a 5.
Ready? Yeah?
Go.
Okay. Hi. Welcome to Tech.